Hello sir, hello classmates. So yung gagawin ko po ngayon is yung final number 1. So first, punta tayo sa Percipio and search for developing SQL databases, yung lab. Click nyo lang. So yung final number 1 is ito yung optimizing indexes. Click start, click next, power on the club SQL 01. Exercise 1. Purifying dynamic management objects to verify current index usage. Dynamic management objects, or DMOS, are a set of SQL servers objects. They are stored in the system schema. They help you monitor the activities of the server instances. They track the resources used by the server instances activities. The DMS provide information regarding the connections, sessions, transactions, and SQL statements, processes, and so on and of a database schema. In addition, the DMS also track the server workload distribution, high workload areas, and so on. You can use the DMO provided information to troubleshoot in case of a breakdown in any of the server activities. The troubleshooting process can include altering the query statement, gaining information about indexes to optimize indexing, strategy of terminating a block session. The DMOS extract the information and display in the form of views known as dynamic management views (DMVS). The, D, the, D, the DMOS also display the information as table value function known as dynamic management functions (DMFS). Task 1. Excuse me. Work with DMO to track current index usage. Indexes are temporary lookup tables. They facilitate the database search engine to speed up the data retrieval process. An efficient index must optimize the table reading process. In other words, an index must read only the required information from the table in a logical manner to ensure minimum workload. To design an effective index design, you need to consider the following essential information: knowledge of the database design, data distribution in the tables, query patterns to extract data, and so on. Step 1. Ensure you have powered on the required devices and connect to Club SQL 01. Step 2. From the Club SQL desktop, click Start and click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. The Connect to Server dialog box appears. From the Server Type drop-down list, click Database Engine in the Server Name text box. Type and click Connect. Pick Microsoft SQL Server 2016 and Microsoft SQL Server Management. Click Connect. Step 3. The SQL Server Management Studio windows open and the Object Explorer click to expand the Databases folder. Step 4. To select the database from the list of databases, click AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3. To create a new query from the query, click New Query. Step 5. The new query pane opens. Excuse me. Step 6. To use system DM underscore db underscore index underscore usage underscore stats and system and underscore indexes and extract index usage information. Type the following query in the new query pane. Step 7. To run the query, click Executor, press F5. Step 7. To run the query, click Executor, press F5. Step 8. To view the rest of the fields from index usage stats viewer, scroll horizontally to right and scroll the pane. The rest of the fields are now visible. Step 2. Identifying missing indexes using dynamic management objects. You can use two methods to identify missing indexes. The methods are as follows. Query the DMO to return the information on missing indexes and include the execution plan of the query to identify the missing indexes. You can use the following DMOS to help identify the missing indexes. Systemdb underscore DM underscore missing underscore index underscore group underscore stats. It provides summarized information about the missing index groups. Systemdb underscore DM underscore missing underscore index underscore groups. It gives information about the missing indexes included and a specific group of missing indexes. Systemdb underscore DM underscore missing underscore index underscore details and displays detailed information about the missing indexes. Systemdb underscore DM underscore missing underscore index underscore columns. It gives information about the database table fields that are not having an index. Task 1. Work with the execution plan of the query to identify a missing index. You will execute the query that requires reference to an index. However, the index is missing in the table. The execution plan will suggest the inclusion of the missing index and provide the details of the missing query. Step 1. To create a new query to trigger the missing index suggestion from the query pane, click New Query. Step 5. To view the execution plan of the query execution plan, tab results. Wait lang. Task to work with the MOS to identify a missing index. Step 1. To create a new query. From the query pane, click New Query. Step 2. To run the query, click Executor, press F5. Done. Click Done. Power off the flap SQL01. Click Exit. That's all for today, sir, and I'm so sorry for the errors. Thank you.